This time I used another method to make crispy squab. I taste it for you. Listens to the effect. This way of making, the crispness of the skin is better. Watch the production process together. Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Sharing fried squab today. Make an advanced version this time. Protein paste will be added. Make the brine first. Process squab later. There are ingredients: star anise, licorice, sulco, cinnamon, pepper, camphor, bay leaf, onion, ginger. Add 3 liters of water and cook for half an hour. Add seasoning without color to prevent the pigeon from turning dark. It is not recommended to use light and dark soy sauce. 5 tablespoons salt. Three tablespoons rock sugar. 3 teaspoons chicken powder. 2 tablespoons Shaoxing wine. Pinch pepper. Cook for half an hour. The spices release their fragrance. Then add the squab. Now deal with squab. Cut off the feet. Pluck the hair. Clean the interior. Prepare crispy water and the protein syrup. The ingredients are the same as the deep-fried chicken last time. I repeat. 2 tablespoons maltose. 4 tablespoons red vinegar. 4 tablespoons white vinegar. 4 tablespoons Shaoxing wine. 6 tablespoons water. Mix them. Steam it until the maltose dissolves. Microwave can also be used. The protein paste material is simple. 5 tablespoons flour. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Egg whites from 2 eggs. Mix well. Add appropriate amount of water to adjust. It's thinner than a milkshake. As in the video is suitable. Filter it. Set aside, spare. The brine has been boiled for half an hour. Put in the pigeon. Turn off the heat and soak for 25 minutes. Press it down with something heavy. Turn off the fire. After 25分钟 use, remove. Scoop up the ingredients and bring the soup to a boil. Let it cool. Put it in the refrigerator. It can be reused. Hang them up with hooks. Drizzle with crispy water. Air dry. May take more than 3 hours to dry if humidity is high. After drying, apply protein paste. The surface is dry and not sticky, so it is suitable. Paint protein paste. Apply evenly over entire surface. A thin layer is enough. Air dry for 1 hour. The protein slurry turns from white to transparent, and it can be fried. Raise the oil temperature to 160 degrees. Turn to the minimum fire. Add squab and fry for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the pigeons are fully cooked. Turn to high heat and fry until the surface is golden brown. Hang it up and drizzle the oil over the surface so it won't overcook. As it cools, it becomes darker. Cut it open and see the effect. Today's fried squab is complete. Thanks for watching.